Hello everyone, DaveDev here, and welcome to this video. This is the first video of many where we will go over everything you need to know to start developing applications using PHP. In this video, we will cover some basic information and features about PHP. So, what is PHP? PHP basically stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is an open source scripting language and it's especially suited for web development. One of the main features is that it can be embedded on HTML code, and it's mainly executed on server side, meaning that the clients don't have access to the executed code. The main benefit from this is that the client will never know what the PHP code looks like or what happened in the background, making it more secure than other scripting languages like JavaScript, where the code is always public and accessible. We have some exceptions to this rule, such as Node.js, which is JavaScript also executed from server side. There are many other features that come with PHP. PHP is available on all the major operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Unix. It is also compatible with most modern web servers like Apache or Nginx, and it comes with many libraries that you can use to complement your application. In particular, the internal libraries that come already installed with PHP. If you want to do any kind of text processing, socket listening, request, send emails, or managing databases, and many others. But if that is not enough, you can also extend your application using external libraries made from the PHP community. And one of the best places to look for that is in a website called Composer. Also, there's an important feature, which is the community online. It is very big and active, and you can always look for help or share knowledge. For example, one of the best places for doing that is in a website called Stack Overflow. Let's take a look on a basic workflow of a web application made in PHP. We will start with our client browser, which is requesting a page of our website. In our case, let's imagine that it's requesting index.php. It will request that page to our web server, which will look for the PHP script. When the web server knows that the page is a PHP script, it will try to execute the script and wait for a response. When the PHP script is finished, it will transform into an HTML output. That will go back to the server and then back to the client where it will render the page. As you can see, the client will never have access to the PHP script itself, only to the end result of the script. And that's it for this video. In our next video, we will start working with PHP, creating simple scripts using variables and rendering things into the browser.